If you're exploring mortgage note investing, or perhaps are already in the game, you probably know it can be a great way to build passive income backed by real estate. But here's something many investors overlook: the legal risk. Yep, they're real. And if you don't handle them right, they can seriously derail your investment. So today, let's talk about how to minimize those legal risks and protect your investment the smart way. First things first, due diligence. You always want to start with a deep dive into the note you're buying. That means checking the promissory note, the mortgage or deed of trust, and making sure all those assignments are recorded properly. If anything's missing or out of order, you might have a hard time enforcing your rights later. Think of it like buying a used car. You wouldn't skip the inspection, right? Next up is licensing and compliance. Depending on where the property is located or where you're doing business, you might need a debt collection license or servicing license, or perhaps both. Plus, there are federal laws you need to follow, like the Fair Debt Collection Practice Act and the Truth in Lending Act. These laws are in place to protect borrowers, but they also protect you if you play by the rules. Now here's a tip. I can't stress this enough. Work with a good real estate attorney. Seriously, this isn't the place you want to wing it or rely on Google. A qualified attorney can review your contracts, your loan documents, and help you navigate any legal issues that might come up, like a foreclosure or a borrower dispute. Let's talk about record keeping. It might not be glamorous, but organized documentation is your best defense if something goes wrong. Keep a record of everything: loan documents, payments, borrower communication, legal notices, all of it. You never know when you'll need to prove your case. Another way to stay protected is to use a professional loan servicer. These companies handle payments, escrow, and borrower communication. But more importantly, they help you stay compliant with federal and state laws. They're like your legal safety net, and they free you up to focus on the bigger picture. And here's something a lot of investors forget. Foreclosure laws vary by state. Some states require a court process, others don't. Some have long redemption periods, others move faster. Understanding the rules where the property is located is essential if you ever need to take back the property. And lastly, keep learning. Laws change, rules shift. What was true last year might not be true today. So stay connected to the industry news, join investor groups, and attend trainings you can. An informed investor is a protected investor. So to wrap it up, legal risks are part of note investing world. But if you take the time to do your homework, get professional help, and stay organized, you'll be in a much better position to protect your investments and your peace of mind. Knowledge is really your best protection. If this helps you to see the note investing from a different perspective, make sure to follow us for more tips just like this one. We're dropping more educational content to help you grow your knowledge and confidence as a note investor. So stay tuned and don't miss what's coming next.